In this video, I'll show you how to convert a PDF to a Word document using PDF24 Tools. If you need to edit text, update a report, reuse content from a PDF, or make changes that aren't possible in a regular PDF viewer, converting the file to Word is often the quickest solution. The process is completely free, works directly in your web browser, and doesn't require you to install any software or create an account. Let's get started. Open your web browser and visit the PDF24 Tools website. From the list of available tools, select PDF to Word. Click Choose Files and select the PDF document you'd like to convert. You can also drag and drop the file directly into your browser window. After the upload finishes, PDF24 will prepare the document for conversion. Once your PDF has been uploaded, click the Convert button. PDF24 will process the file and generate a Microsoft Word document that you can edit using Microsoft Word, LibreOffice Writer, or other compatible word processors. The conversion usually takes only a few seconds, although larger documents may require a little more time. When it's finished, click Download to save the new Word document to your computer. Open the file in Microsoft Word and review the results. For simple documents containing mostly text, headings, and basic formatting, the conversion is often very accurate. If your PDF contains complex tables, unusual fonts, scanned pages, or complicated layouts, you may notice that a few formatting adjustments are needed after conversion. This is normal and happens with most PDF conversion tools. If the PDF you're converting was originally created from a scanner, the document may consist of images instead of selectable text. In that case, you may first need to use an OCR tool before the text becomes fully editable. We'll cover OCR in another tutorial later in this series. Converting PDFs to Word documents is useful in many everyday situations. You might need to update a contract, edit a company report, reuse text from an old document, correct spelling mistakes, or make changes to a form that was originally saved as a PDF. Instead of recreating the document from scratch, converting it to Word can save a significant amount of time. Here's another useful tip. Before making major edits, save a copy of the converted Word document using a different file name. This allows you to keep the original conversion as a backup in case you ever need to start over. After you've finished editing the document, you can easily convert it back into a PDF using PDF24's Word to PDF tool. This ensures that your final document can be viewed consistently on almost any device without formatting changes. Another advantage of PDF24 is that you can combine several tools together in one workflow. For example, convert a PDF to Word, edit the document, convert it back to PDF, compress the finished file, and then password protect it before sending it to someone else. Everything can be done using the same collection of free tools. As you can see, converting PDFs to Word with PDF24 Tools is fast, simple, and completely free. It's one of the easiest ways to turn static PDF documents into editable files without starting from scratch. If you've finished editing your document, the next tutorial shows you how to convert a Word document back into a PDF using PDF24 Tools. It's the perfect follow-up for preserving your formatting before sharing or printing the final version.